friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Terry, also known as the Inspire Planner, and today we are going to set a little craft bingo. Hey friends, welcome back to our second video in our series. Today we are going to be setting up a little idea called Fall Craft Bingo. Now I set up the calendar if you've seen that video. If not, there is a video on this. I'm going to skip forward to our bullet journal pages. Now I'm going to pull this in because this one you might want to see a little bit closer. This one is a self-care bingo that I set up already, but one of my friends, Wendy, was like, oh my gosh, I'm taking this idea and running with it, and she set up a little fall craft bingo for herself. So then I thought maybe I just want to do bingo pages all throughout our bullet journal pages here, which there are 4 of them, and that would be a fun little way to craft, air quote, craft my month of September with some fun things that I want to do getting into the fall spirit. So got self-care bingo over here set up. I'll be writing in my activities in my blocks. We're going to use this section for a fall craft bingo. I'm going to go ahead and put you on a fast forward while I set this up, and then I will be back when it's all done. Okay friends, here is our fall craft bingo idea. So I just wrote some down. Of course, you can add to this list, take some off, put some things in that are relevant for what you would like to do. I just added painted pumpkins, fall wax seals, fabric pumpkins, cinnamon sticks project, glass jar centerpiece, autumn scrapbook page, autumn cards, autumn pocket scrapbook, fall planner dashboard, an autumn bookmark, and a fall welcome sign. I am very much into the paper crafting this time of year because I love all the designs and colors in all of the fall paper. So I hope that you enjoy this. I am encouraging you to create your own because I think it'll be a lot of fun. Stick with me, come back tomorrow and see what my next bingo project will be. If you have not already liked and subscribed to my channel, I sure would appreciate it if you did so. And if you know somebody that would like to see this video, please go ahead and share it out. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.